favorite dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with another video. So if you follow me on Instagram, you already know, honey, I got this tan popping. I just came back from vacation and my #1 question was, where did you get your swimsuits? So if you are interested in what it is that I picked up, stay tuned.
Yo, me.
Okay, dolls, so I really was just gonna do a voiceover, but I know y'all like when I do like the talking part with the haul, so let me be quick about it because I have a whole bunch of swimsuits. Basically, I love them all. Now, some of these swimsuits obviously are too small because some of them only go up to a size large, but I am not the kind of woman who will let society tell me what I can and cannot wear. If you don't like it, turn the other way, but your girl's gonna rock it anyway, okay? So with that being said, the first thing that I have here is this leopard print bathing suit. Now this bathing suit is tiny, y'all. It is so tiny, but I don't care. I rocked it, I loved it. It's a thong bikini, it's super sexy. I'll put some pictures in of how I wore it recently. I wore this in Cancun. I actually mixed it with a bright color bathing suit, and y'all, I about broke the internet, honey. Like, everybody loved it, but it was not one suit. I paired it. So that's one thing you can do with this top and with this bottom is that you can mix and match. You should never be afraid to show your style by doing that, okay? So don't think just because you buy a bathing suit in one set, you have to wear it that way together. You can break it apart. So I'll insert again the pictures that I did. This does run very small. It is like a true slingshot thong. It's gonna be all up in your business, but as long as you shave, you're gonna be good. Next, I have that super bright yellow bathing suit. Now, it's not really great on camera because I have these lights in here and the lights are real bright. But this was the bathing suit as well that you saw in the picture. I really love any bathing suits like this because it gives you that side boob action, and then it's low cut in the back, and then it's all high cut on the front. So you get that real sexy Baywatch-ish type of look, okay? So it's very comfortable, very stretchy. I actually recommend taking out the little cups here if you are a larger chest woman like myself, because that way it fits a little better. I actually took them out and I put them back in for camera just so that there's any kind of, you know, nips showing. It wasn't like obvious, but I took mine out on the beach and I didn't have any problems getting wet and everything like that in the water. So I really love this color. Whether you are fair skin, light skin, brown skin, dark skin, it will pop on you and it will look amazing and it feels equally as good. Now, if you opt for a more full coverage look, but you like the idea of a two-piece, then I would definitely recommend this bathing suit. Now, this one feels more like spandex. It's not a whole lot of material to it, although the inner top material is lined, so that's a good thing. But this color, I just didn't really, I don't know, it wasn't like the bright neon. It was more or less like a mustardish color, and it's like a spandexy material, as most bathing suits are, but it's like a shiny material. So this was cute because of how it fits. You can wear it with like jeans before you get in the water or the pool. You can wear it with like a skirt, some shorts, high-waisted. It's cute as a top. And then when it comes to the bottom, it's also cute because it's more full coverage. So again, it shows you some more skin as far as having your stomach and your back out, but it doesn't have your full belly out, and it gives you some kind of coverage if that's what you're looking for. But it's definitely full coverage. It will enhance any curves that you have, as well as cover you up if you have any insecurities, so I would recommend it. Now, I love two-piece bathing suits, and this bathing suit right here is the one that I also wore on my vacation, and the color is really what sold me. You can't even really pick up this blue on camera, but it's such a pretty aqua blue color. This color is like a cyan blue. I don't even know what color it is. I just know that it's pretty, and when you're on vacation, you want to be bright, you want to feel tropical, and this is that. I do love how it fit. It was very comfortable on my waist. It's high-waisted. I do like how much of your thigh that it shows, and it covers a lot of your stomach, but then it also has a lot of your skin out. So if you want a bathing suit that gives you a little bit more full coverage, you can go with this. The only thing I can say is if you're like me, you need a little bit more support in the chest area. It really doesn't give you a lot of support there. So, you know, don't be surprised when it comes to this top. There are no bands. There's nothing to really hold you up. It's just the Bandeau top, period. But It was so cute, and I was able to pull it up on the sides where it gave me enough support to where I wore it on the beach and nobody could tell me anything. Like, I loved it. Now, much like those bathing suits, I found them very similar with other styles. The only thing I can say about these two are that they're not so high-waisted and they're not so thickly banded on the top. Like, you see how thin this is compared to the blue one, where the blue one was more of a thick band on the top. So that's the only difference. So this one was not super comfortable on your belly because it wasn't as high-waisted, but this one was. But as far as these two colors, they're basically the same bathing suit, just in different colors. Again, I really do love the sex appeal from the high-waisted bottoms where it shows your thighs but it covers your belly, and it does show your top piece because it's a Bandeau top. And I love Bandeau tops because I feel like you can just throw them on, throw on some shorts, throw on some skirts, throw on some jeans or whatever, and you can just take off the bottoms when you're ready to get in the water. So I have 3 of these bathing suits, just different colors, and I would recommend them. They also come true to size, so you don't have to worry about sizing up or sizing down. Unless you wanted to be on the safe side, you can size up. These two I have in a large. They didn't offer in an extra large, and this one I did get in an extra large. And again, I do prefer the fit of this one. Okay, next I have the one pieces that I wore, and with the one pieces, I really adore them because you can be sexy wearing clothes, okay? I don't want you guys for a moment to believe you have to be halfway naked to look sexy, to give off that sex appeal. So I wanted to try something that was full coverage somewhat. So I got this bathing suit, the striped one, which I know vertical stripes are very attractive on a woman's body. They give you that slimming look. And with this in particular, the colors were very complimentary. So again, no matter your skin tone, it will look nice on you. The back was a low scoop, but it wasn't too low to where it looked like it was revealing, and it does cover your entire stomach, and it's not super high cut, so it does look really good. I love this bathing suit. They only had it in a size large, but this one actually fit like an extra large. So I would say get your size or go one size down. Again, with the one-piece bathing suits, I went ahead and tried something new. This is a connected one-piece bathing suit. It was very hard to get on over my hips, but once I pulled it up, you know, once I got it on, I thought it was really cute. This does have some straps that you can have separately that you can detach, as I have, because I prefer bathing suits that are strapless, but you can wear the top around your neck if that's something you wanted to do. The back does clamp shut, so that is a cute factor there, and it gives you full coverage because it covers your stomach, it covers your back if you have any type of back rolls or if you didn't want to have your stomach out completely. So again, it's a one piece that is sexy, but it doesn't reveal too much, and it's really cute because of the color and the stripes. I would say size up if you can, because again, really tight to pull up and over if you have hips or if you have a booty. But besides that, the fit was pretty good and it was comfortable once I had it fully on. Now again, with the one pieces, this one is a little bit more sexy. Actually, it's a lot more sexy. Basically, it just covers you like a bikini, but it does connect on the sides. This is super, super, super high-waisted, okay? So this one, do not get if you're modest because you will be out and about in this. The only thing I can say though is that it was really tight, really hard to get up and over. I had to pull up the size really high. It's not for me. I can't rock it. It only came up to a large. Well, I'm sorry, this is actually an extra large, and it still didn't fit me properly the way that I would feel comfortable to wear it out or on the beach. So I would say this is something that you'll have to size up for. If you're really hippie and your booty's out, like if that's the look you're going for, then okay, girlfriend. But for me, it was just a little bit too much, but it has a lot of sex appeal. It's really simple, but it's really, really nice. So again, just be mindful. You'll be putting yourself out there. It's super sexy, but it is a one piece if that's something you wanted to have. Now, I always wanted a white bathing suit. I think it looks so timeless and so classic. Now, I actually wore this bathing suit on vacation. I wore it as a top, but I did wear it as a bathing suit as well. The reason I like this bathing suit is because it shows your belly, it shows some back, but it's also high-waisted, so it has that sex appeal of showing your booty as well as your hips, as well as your thighs and your legs. So Please know, y'all, you can wear a one piece and feel still sexy as a woman. You don't have to be completely naked. You just have to find what works for you. This is what I recommend for my curvy women out there, for my large women out there. It stretches really well. It even holds the girls in really good. And this is a large, so it really does fit true to size. If not, it kind of fits a little bit bigger. So be mindful, if you're smaller, you could size down and you'll be okay. But remember, it's cheeky in the back. So you may want to get your size if you don't want too much of your booty out. Now this one piece was just the one piece. I just wanted to try something new. If I was going like out with the kids or taking, you know, like being out with a whole bunch of children on the beach with my nieces or nephews, I didn't want to look totally sexy. So I got a real modest bathing suit, but it still gives you that sex appeal because it does have the back out. But this is a little cute flamingo. I think this would look cute with some bottoms, like bell bottom pants that are blue and like a head wrap scarf. Again, you don't have to be super duper sexy every time you go to the beach. And I really wanted to kind of show you dolls that. This one's really playful. It's really cute. You can wear it as a shirt. And I thought it was kind of festive with the pink flamingo. You can wear pink lipstick. I mean, it's uber chic, uber girly, and it covers you pretty well. But it's a bathing suit and it still makes you feel good. And I would still recommend something like this. Now the size that I got here is an extra large, and it does fit like an extra large. So this one definitely fits true to size, and it's super plus size and curvy friendly. Okay, dolls, and as you can see, this cute little frilly one piece is so adorable. I love the color and it's very flattering. Okay, dolls, and last, I did save the bathing suit that I have on. Now this bathing suit I really adored because of the color. I loved it because of all these long straps. You can wear it on one side, you can wear it on both sides, you can crisscross it in the front. It's truly a multi-wear, multi-purpose bathing suit. I think the color is really different for that of a bathing suit where it's not bright, but it's more of like a toned cognac color. It reminds me of like a Louis Vuitton bag, like the handles when the sun hits it and it patinas. Like this color is really pretty, and when it's against your skin, when it's tanned, when it's regular, like it just gives you that look. Like I don't even know, it to me looks high fashion. I love the material. It's so stretchy. The fit is amazing. I think if you're curvy, you want a one-piece bathing suit, you should get it. This one is my favorite out the haul. That's why I still have it on, but I definitely wanted to let you guys know, so far so good. I recommend Zaful always, and I love this bathing suit. Okay, dolls, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed these looks. I really, really, really enjoy this website. You guys know from my previous hauls that I am not a stranger to Zaful. So whether you are straight size, whether you are plus size, curvy, you can find something in this store. Everything is reasonably priced. I would recommend it. Some things may not fit exactly how you want, but most of the times, I'd say 4 out of 5, you're going to be happy with your purchase. I mean, seriously, I used to pay like $30, $40 for a top and the same for the bottom, but not anymore, okay? So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to share this video with any diva doll that you know who is shopping for some swimwear, because you know your vacations are coming up. You know the springtime is here, the summer's coming up. So please, if you guys are in the mood to shop for swimwear, be sure to check the links down below to all of these styles, as well as any looks and coupon codes that I have. Like for my sizing, I'll put all that detail down below in the box. So be sure that you leave me a comment. That way I know which looks are your favorite. And if you have not already subscribed to this channel, girlfriend, what are you doing? Subscribe to this channel, girl. Also, be sure to subscribe to my fitness and to my vlog channel. I will be uploading more and more content. So if you love what I do, you want to see how I look this way, you want to know what I be doing, like be sure that you guys subscribe and tune in. As far as my Snapchat and Instagram, be sure to follow me there. And my name is @ChrissyTheDoll. I really want to say thank you, dolls, so much for your support. I really appreciate it. I will be bringing you more and more hauls, so please let me know that these are the ones that you want, these videos, and that's really it. So again, I want to thank you for rocking with your girl, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.
She running from the cop, and when I shoot, I put, yeah, tell that number block.